Hey everybody, this is Nate Hamilton from the team at Moonbeam. We were asked to answer a couple of questions to follow on with our presentation. So the first question was around our current status. Right now we are getting in what we're calling kind of a parachain readiness state. And so we're working on making sure that our crowd loan functionality is ready to go and that we can get prepared for the auctions that are about to start on Kusama in the next couple of weeks. And so everything's going to be focused on getting our Moon River deployment deployed to Kusama and getting our parachain slot so that we can start turning on functionality and teams can start deploying code to Moon River and start building that ecosystem. The next question was around what will Moonbeam be in 6 months. So in 6 months, we would anticipate that Moonbeam would have been active for at least a couple of months at that point, because as we've seen so far, everything's going to start on Moon River, and if that starts in the next 4 to 6 weeks, we would anticipate Moonbeam being live probably in the next 2 to 3 months. And so that's really going to be focused on getting the DeFi ecosystem built and getting teams deployed so that we can start to see some of the fruits of our labor and our partners' labor kind of come to fruition over the next 6 months. And then, what do we look forward to with Web3 Bootcamp over the next 6 months? And it's really about networking for us. It's really about meeting new projects that are building and collaborating as best we can to support teams as needed. So I would encourage anybody that's starting to build in the Polkadot ecosystem that is interested in connecting to Moonbeam, building on Moonbeam, or a parachain that would want to do kind of interoperability with Moonbeam to reach out and let us know how we can best support it. So happy to be involved with the Web3 Bootcamp and look forward to giving folks updates for the next event. And yeah, good luck, thanks, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.